Hello, welcome to Mater Bonanza TV. I'm Antonia.
And I'm Jackson.
Today, we will be covering the following. Caleb and Kalea with our weather report.
Melanie with our Mater Bonanza sports planner.
Camila with our upcoming Spirit Days.
Camila with our mission and vision statement.
Our recap of our winter concerts.
Some important announcements.
And finally, some students with the Mater 5.
Please welcome Caleb and Kalea with our weather report.
I'm Kalea.
And I'm Caleb.
With your weather report. On Monday, December 15th, it will be 67 degrees with cloudy skies.
On Tuesday, December 16th, it will be 70.
On Wednesday, December 17th, it will be 70 degrees with cloudy skies.
On Thursday, December 18th, it will be 66 with light rain.
On Friday, December 19th, it will be 67 degrees with rain. That's all for this week. Back to you, Antonia Jackson.
Thank you, Caleb and Kalea. Make sure you guys dress up for the weather as it is getting chilly. Next, let's welcome Melanie with our Mater Bonanza sports corner.
Hello, Broncos. Welcome back to the Mater Bonanza Sports Corner. We have some exciting reports on bowling. First, the bowling team has their very first game on January 5th, 2026. The following games are January 13th, January 20th, February 2nd, and finally February 4th. The basketball team's dates have not been released yet and will be released after winter break, which starts on the 20th. Good luck and go Broncos.
Thank you, Melanie, for our sports updates. Now, please welcome Camila with our upcoming Spirit Week.
Hi, I'm Camila. Next week is going to be Spirit Week as we count down the days till the holidays. Monday the 15th is Silent Night. Wear your coziest pair of holiday pajamas. Tuesday the 16th is Festive Film Day. Dress like a holiday character. Wednesday the 17th is Deck the Halls. Dress in holiday gear from hair to toes. Thursday the 18th is Rap Battle. Come wrapped as a holiday gift or wear stripes, dots, and patterns. Friday the 19th is Fireside Flannel. Wear all things flannel. We look forward to seeing you decked out and showing school spirit.
Thank you, Camila. Don't forget to dress up for our amazing Spirit Week. Next, we have Camila's Mater Bonanza mission and vision statements.
Mater provides a safe learning environment where academics are facilitated by teachers, administrators, parents, and the community, which enables students to become confident, self-directed learners in a technologically rich college preparatory environment through rigor, relevance, and relationships. Mater provides exemplary educational choices by offering an innovative college preparatory curriculum, empowering confident leaders of tomorrow. At Mater, students are not asked if they're going to college, they're asked where.
Thank you, Camila, for our mission and vision. Now, let's do a recap on our winter concerts from this week.
Thank you to everyone that participated in our winter concerts. You all did amazing. Next, we have some important announcements.
Mater Academy Bonanza, our after-school program is built on the Mater 5, the values that guide everything we do. Mindset means believing that we can grow every day. In after school, students try new things, make mistakes, and discover what they're capable of. Accountability means taking responsibility for our work, our actions, and our choices. We show up ready to learn and ready to lead. Teamwork reminds us that we succeed together. Our after-school program brings students, staff, and families together to support one another and celebrate every win. Engage means being present and excited to learn. After school helps students participate, express themselves, and explore what inspires them. And respect is the heart of our community. Treating each other with kindness, listening, and making sure everyone feels welcome. In after school, we live the Mater 5 in everything we do. Because at Mater Academy Bonanza, after school doesn't just teach skills, it builds character, community, and future leaders. After school matters, and at Mater Bonanza, the Mater 5 lead the way.
Next week is finals. Don't forget to study and be ready to test.
Also, Tuesday through Thursday is half day. Make sure to let your parents know.
Mariachi concerts on Wednesday the 17th. Make sure to come out and support our mariachi.
Winter break starts on the 20th and classes resume January 6th. Remember Broncos, next week is Spirit Week, to be sure to show up, dress up, and show our school spirit.
Finally, we have some students with the Mater 5.
N is for mindset.
H stands for accountability.
E stands for teamwork.
E stands for engage.
Stands for respect.
Thank you
For watching Mater Bonanza TV. See you next time. Bye.